So hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you made a sale on Etsy and you were asking the important question we all ask: how to get paid on Etsy? So when you sell on the platform, your money goes into your payment account first, not straight to your bank. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to get paid on Etsy, the platform. Maybe you are using the app, maybe you are using the website. It's basically the same steps. So in today's small video, as I said, we're gonna go through all of these steps. All of them steps. Don't even worry about it. Starting by you opening your device, making sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go and look for Etsy.com. So we're gonna tap on the link, open this new tab, then log in using our email address and password, then tap on this shop manager. After this, tap on finances, then select payment account. So here you will see you're available for deposit balance. Check your deposit schedule at the top, then Etsy automatically sends payouts based on your schedule. If needed, click request it now to trigger a manual deposit. As for like bonus tips, set deposits to daily for faster cash flow, and always verify your bank account is correct. New shops may have a temporary payment reserve, so don't even worry about the time. They will send you your money. Etsy is a big platform, big company, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.